Ready to learn about the vegetables? Guess each answer in 10 seconds. Which vegetable is known for its bright orange color and is good for your eyes? Options: A. Tomato, B. Carrot, C. Broccoli. The correct answer is carrots are known for their bright orange color and are good for your eyes.
Yay!
Which vegetable is often used to make pickles? Options: A. Lettuce, B. Cucumber, C. Potato. The correct answer is cucumbers are often used to make pickles.
Yay!
Which vegetable is green, has a long stalk, and is often eaten with peanut butter? Options: A. Spinach, B. Celery, C. Peas. The correct answer is celery is green, has a long stalk, and is often eaten with peanut butter.
Yay!
Which vegetable is known for its strong smell and is often used in Italian dishes? Options: A. Garlic, B. Onion, C. Bell pepper. The correct answer is garlic is known for its strong smell and is often used in Italian dishes.
Yay!
Which vegetable is green and looks like a tiny tree? Options: A. Spinach, B. Broccoli, C. Asparagus. The correct answer is broccoli is green and looks like a tiny tree.
Yay!
Which vegetable is red, juicy, and often used in salads? Options: A. Tomato, B. Beet, C. Radish. The correct answer is tomatoes are red, juicy, and often used in salads.
Yay!
Which vegetable is known for making people cry when they cut it? Options: A. Carrot, B. Potato, C. Onion. The correct answer is onions are known for making people cry when they cut them.
Yay!
Which vegetable is often used in soups and is known for its earthy flavor? Options: A. Pumpkin, B. Beet, C. Carrot. The correct answer is beets are often used in soups and are known for their earthy flavor.
Yay!
Which vegetable is purple on the outside and white on the inside? Options: A. Eggplant, B. Purple cabbage, C. Radish. The correct answer is eggplants are purple on the outside and white on the inside.
Yay!
Which leafy green vegetable is often used in salads and has a mild flavor? Options: A. Spinach, B. Kale, C. Lettuce. The correct answer is, lettuce is often used in salads and has a mild flavor.
Yay!
You did an amazing job.